Hi, this is Giridharan. I am a data science and business analytics intern in the Spark Foundation. In this exercise, there are two tasks to be performed. There are stock market prediction using textual analysis and numerical analysis. First, let us start with the textual analysis, which is also called the sentimental analysis. Our objective is to predict whether the stock price will increase or decrease based on the financial headlines. Our first step is to import the necessary libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib. After loading the necessary libraries, next step is to fetch the data set from the given URL. Our next step is to split the data set into train and test based on a date. It can be any date, just to split the data as 80% and 20% for train and test respectively. Next step is the data pre-processing technique, replacing the special characters with an empty string and changing the column names as index for easy access. The third step is to change all the characters to lowercase for uniformity. Then we will combine all the 25 headlines in a row to form a paragraph and append it to a list called headlines. Then we perform a technique called count vectorizer, which is used to transform a given text in a vector on the basis of the frequency of each word that occurs in the entire text. After performing all data pre-processing, we have to create our model and train it with the count vectorized trained data. Before evaluating our model, we must also follow the data pre-processing technique for the test data. Then evaluate the model using the confusion matrix and the accuracy score, and also with an financial headlines. Our next task is to predict the approximate stock price based on the historical data. We are going to predict the Tata Motors stock price for next 30 days based on their past 5 years data. Next, we are going to import the necessary libraries such as Math, Pandas Data Reader, NumPy, and Matplotlib. From the Pandas Data Reader, import the Tata Motors historical data. Then filter the close price from the dataset which are going to be predicted. Plot the close price to see the trend for the past 5 years. Scale the data in between 0 and 1, which will increase the accuracy of our model. Split the data into train and test. Let us create the independent feature by using the time step. Here the time step is set as 100. Therefore, the close price of the 100 days is used to predict the close price of the 101st day. Let's create a recurrent neural network called LSTM. After the model was created, it will be trained and validated using the train and test data. Once the training was done, we can do prediction for the train and test data and plot them in a graph and see how accurate our model is. In the above graph, the blue line represents the actual data, the orange line represents the train data prediction, the green line represents the test data prediction. Since the prediction line were pretty close to the actual line, our model has a good accuracy. Next, we are going to predict the stock price for the next 30 days and plot them in a graph. Combine both the actual and the predicted graph to form a single graph. With this, our task get completed. I will see you in my next video. Until then, it's bye from Giridharan.